Okay, here we are in Fort Richardson, Alaska, and we're taking Lacey on her very first ski trip. Lacey, say hi.
Hi.
Joe? Okay. Sit down. Turn around, sit down.
This is not going to be so much fun. No, it's not.
I gotta see if I can hold it up to her. Okay. Dad, you can give us a push? Yeah. All right.
No!
You ready?
Yep.
Woo-hoo!
Okay, we're gonna need more of a push than that.
Woo!
That was fun, huh? Whoa!
We're going down the hill! No!
Oh, you okay?
That was fun!
Well, that was Lacey's first ski trip. Sledding trip.